So you've got a query that's been running for 20 minutes and you need to stop it. Should you cancel it or terminate it?
Wait, there's a difference?
Yeah, there is. And if you pick the wrong one, you might not achieve the desired outcome. PG cancel backend sends a polite interrupt. It's basically asking the backend to stop what it's doing. PG terminate backend forcibly ends the backend process, which triggers a rollback of the current transaction and cleanup of resources.
So cancel is the gentle option?
Yeah. Cancel gives the query a chance to notice the signal and clean up after itself. Terminate forces the backend to exit immediately. Cancel doesn't just stop a query mid-instruction. Postgres checks for interrupts at safe points in the executor, between rows, between nodes in the plan, that kind of thing.
So if it's stuck waiting on a lock, cancel won't help immediately?
Right. If the backend's blocked on a lock, or it's deep in a syscall, it won't see the cancel signal until it gets back to a point where it can check for interrupts. Here's the trap that gets people. If you cancel a big insert or update that's been running for 10 minutes, Postgres has to roll back every single row it wrote. And that rollback, it can take just as long.
Wait, so canceling doesn't actually make it stop faster?
Not for writes, no. You're stuck waiting for the undo. And terminate doesn't save you either. The backend process will still roll back the transaction. You just won't see it in PG stat activity anymore. For a runaway select, cancel is perfect. There's no rollback. It just stops. For a big write, cancel and accept the wait. Only terminate if cancel's been ignored for 30 seconds and you're okay with the rollback happening in the background, or if the session's idle in transaction and you need those locks freed.
And terminate won't skip the rollback work?
Nope. The transaction still has to be undone. Terminate just hides it from you while the backend process does cleanup in the background. A good preventive measure is statement timeout. It's 0 by default, meaning it is disabled. Set it per role for application users, or set it at the database level as a backstop.
Does it cancel or terminate?
It cancels, so the same rollback rules apply. But it catches runaway queries before a human has to step in, and you can tune it per workload. By the way, my DBAs free health check continuously monitors your sessions, flags long-running queries and blocking chains, and hands you the exact PG cancel backend or PG terminate backend command with the right PID. You'll also get recommendations for statement timeout settings based on your workload patterns. You can connect your database in a few minutes and my DBA starts collecting deep telemetry continuously. You'll get your first health report almost immediately. It grades you across 16 domains with every finding paired with the exact runnable fix. Over the first week, it grows into a comprehensive report, and a fresh one keeps landing every week after that. It's free, and it'll catch the long-running queries and missing timeouts before they bite you.
That sounds a lot better than digging through PG stat activity at 2 a.m.
Yeah. Head to my dba.dev and grab your health check. Takes about 3 minutes to connect.